In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix email margins in GoHighLevel. If your email content looks cramped on one side or there's too much white space around a block, it's usually a margin or padding issue. I'll walk you through where to find those controls in the builder and how to adjust them confidently so your campaigns look polished on every device. Start by opening GoHighLevel. Once you're in your account, look to the left sidebar and click Marketing. This takes you into the area where your social posts, templates, and email tools live. From here, choose emails so you can work specifically with your email assets. Inside emails, go to campaigns. You'll see your drafts, scheduled sends, or past campaigns depending on your setup. Find the campaign you want to fix, then select it from the list to open the email in the editor. With the editor open, click directly on the field or block that needs spacing help. This could be a section, a column, an image, a button, or a text block. Selecting the exact element is important because spacing settings apply to the block you have active. Look to the left side settings panel. Under the styling options, you'll see padding and margin. Padding adds space inside the block, pushing the content inward so text and images don't touch the edges. Margin adds space outside the block, creating separation from the elements around it. If your content feels squeezed within a box, increase padding. If two blocks are crowding each other, add margin. Most controls let you link all sides together or adjust top, right, bottom, and left individually. For precise control, unlink the sides and nudge values in small increments, like 5 to 10 pixels at a time. Watch the live preview as you go. Keep an eye on symmetry so headlines, images, and buttons align neatly with the rest of your layout. Avoid very large margins that can break alignment on smaller screens, and favor inner padding for balanced breathing room. After you've made your adjustments, review the email from top to bottom to ensure spacing is consistent across similar blocks. If your builder offers device previews, quickly check desktop and mobile views to confirm nothing looks cramped or off-center. That's it. You navigated to marketing, opened emails, selected campaigns, chose your email, clicked the field you wanted to fix, found padding and margin, and made your adjustments. Now your email should look clean, readable, and on brand.